Witness the ultimate maritime challenge. This is the industrial harvest of the bluefin tuna.
Secure that spool now. We need more slack over here.
Giants of the deep. Each bluefin tuna can weigh over 400 kilograms of pure muscle.
Precision handling. The bluefin tuna is secured immediately to maintain its premium quality.
Industrial scale. We only select the largest, most mature bluefin tuna for our global supply chain.
Quality preservation. This Japanese technique ensures the bluefin tuna meat remains tender.
Deep freeze technology, locking in the bluefin tuna's freshness at 60 degrees below zero.
The homecoming. Hundreds of tons of bluefin tuna arrive for global distribution.
Full traceability. Every bluefin tuna is tracked from the exact ocean coordinate it was caught.
Master Butchery. Processing a bluefin tuna is an art form backed by industrial precision.
Professional carving. We separate the lean akami from the fatty otoro with zero waste.
The marble of the sea. High-fat bluefin tuna is the most prized seafood in the world.
Automated precision. Water jets ensure a sterile, perfect cut for every bluefin tuna portion.
Oxygen-free preservation. Vacuum sealing keeps the bluefin tuna's color and flavor intact.
Massive capacity. We store bluefin tuna at ultra-low temperatures to supply year-round demand.
Airspeed delivery. Freshly processed bluefin tuna reaches Tokyo or New York in under 12 hours. culinary excellence. From the deep ocean to the
This is the best bluefin I've ever had. Truly exceptional.
Safety and standards. Every bluefin tuna batch is tested for purity and nutrient density.
Zero Waste Initiative. We transform bluefin tuna byproducts into high-value marine protein.
Check the pressure gauge on the manifold. We're running low on coolant.
Rerouting the auxiliary tank now. That should stabilize it.
Sustainable energy, powering our bluefin tuna cold chain with 100% renewable power.
Continue straight for 10 miles.
Heavy traffic reported ahead. Alternative route suggested.
As you can see on the monitors, we maintain strict control over the water temperature and oxygen levels.
How does that affect their growth cycle compared to the wild?
We closely monitor the sustainable fishing quotas shown here
To ensure both ecological balance and the efficiency of our operations.
The theater of trade. This is where the world's most expensive bluefin tuna are sold.
The fat content here is exceptional. Look at the sheen.
Agreed. We should bid high on this one.
Bidding at 90,000, 95, 100,000. New record, sold.
Celebration of the sea. Bluefin tuna is the centerpiece of the world's most grand events.
Here is your bluefin tuna carpaccio, garnished with gold leaf. Enjoy your meal.
Protecting the future. We invest in bluefin tuna aquaculture research to ensure species longevity.
The biomass estimate looks consistent with the last reading.
Good, the school density is holding steady.
There they are. Full speed ahead. Prepare the gear.
Harvest motion. Engineering the global harvest.